Well, that news about the mask mandate coming ahead of a return to restrictions today in one major American city. As we do see COVID cases steadily rise again, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting a 7-day average of more than 243,000 cases here in the U.S. and a daily average of more than 35,000. That's about a 16% increase from around the same time last month. The uptick in cases specifically being felt in Philadelphia. The health department there reporting infections have increased 50% over the last 2 weeks, prompting the city to reinstate its mask mandate, but not without objections.
The city of brotherly love is facing backlash for its efforts to slow the spread of COVID-19. Several Philadelphia businesses and residents are now suing the city's top officials over its reinstated mask mandate. Today, Philadelphia became the first major U.S. city to once again require people wear protective face coverings in indoor public spaces. In a lawsuit filed Saturday, plaintiffs argue the city does not have authority to enforce that mandate. The suit also claims the order violates the state constitution and defies CDC guidance, which currently only recommends masks in public spaces when a lot of people are around. Plaintiffs are now pushing for it to be overturned. But the mayor's office says courts have ruled the city has legal authority to enact necessary precautions to control the spread of the virus. The decision to bring back the mandate is in response to an uptick of the Omicron subvariant. Data from the nonprofit COVID Act Now tracker shows over the last week, the Philadelphia metro averaging 772 cases daily, with a test positivity rate of nearly 6%. The Philadelphia Health Department says the mandate will be dropped when 2 of 3 metrics in the city's Level 1 COVID-19 response plan are met.
Well, meantime, China has been battling its worst COVID outbreak since the pandemic started. As many as 73 of China's biggest 100 cities are under some form of lockdown, and concern is growing that the spread of COVID and city lockdowns.
Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.